So we're gonna have to set the stage up for you guys on this one just a little bit. This captain we see right here really struggled getting this boat on the dock. Unfortunately, we were just getting down here and just getting set up, so we kind of missed that. But we're here, we're set up now, ready to roll, and they just got their trailer down, and it might be an interesting scene, just based on how hard it was for him to get it docked, to get it on the trailer, but we're going to see how this unfolds. But welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and if you can't tell, today we are visiting Boynton Beach. So, Cap's coming in, lining her up. Hopefully he takes the slow roll approach on this one. Doesn't like the line. It looks like he just hit a brake check, backed it up a little bit. Trying to get it set up. So sometimes it's tough for me to tell from this angle, but he definitely looks off. He's not in the right spot for the trailer. Trailer is closest to the dock that you see in front of us. There we go, kind of getting it right now. Again, he's going to wind up hitting the dock. Brake checks it right before he hits. Backs out pretty hard. Now, fortunately for this crew, if you can't tell, it's not very busy down here yet. Waiting at the end of the day gets nuts how busy it gets. But he's got all the room to work in the world here right now. So he's got to take it easy, take his time, and set it up. So coming back in, not a terrible line, kind of loses it at the end, has to push himself off the dock, and he's going to have to back up one more time and try and line it back up. Oh no, he's going to try and forward in on this. Whoa, bro. A little whiskey throttle action, and now he's sideways between the guideposts. And, oh man, he's wedged in between the guideposts right there. Backs out, and again, and I can't tell if he hit the dock there. He was definitely coming in hot as he approached the dock. But I can't tell. He's coming back at it one more time. Still kind of an off angle. Bro, back out. Completely reset yourself up. I find that it's difficult sometimes when you're already in these tight quarters like this to try and make adjustments. At this point, just back out and give yourself a whole fresh start. But no, he's going to try and line it back up and bring it in. But you can hear the guy at the truck telling him to back off. He's just not on there right. And the guideposts are mangled. So he's at least positioned himself where he can get a fresh start and take a nice fresh run at this. But our guy's pulling the trailer out. Look at the guideposts on the back of the trailer. Oh my! Oh! And I think that's why he pulled it. That has to be why he pulled the trailer out. They're just so messed up. He's either got to take them off or try and bend them back. Oh, and he's gonna go for the bend them back procedure. Knowing his buddy probably needs all the help he can get. Probably the right call. So they actually seem to go back in pretty easy. And I'm assuming we're going to back this down and try this one more time. So our guy's taking his sweet time, but he's making his way back to the car. Gonna back the trailer down. And let's see how Cap handles this second round of approaches. I say approaches because I'm not sure that I'm confident we're gonna get it nailed on the first one. So Cap's coming in, heading back toward the dock. Coming in a little hot. Brake checks it at the last second. But again, he's just off center. Trying to bring the bow back around. Having a real tough go of it, though. What I probably would have done, if I was the guy in the trailer on this one, I probably would have took the whole ramp. I'd have backed this trailer right down the middle of the ramp, take both these docks out of play, give my guy all the room he needs to really make this one work. Because he's coming in again, coming in hot. Hits the guy pole, tries to line it up. I can't tell. I mean, it looks like he probably went up the trailer. I'm getting shot blocked. I can't see if he really made it up there good or not. And he's trying to bend the guidepost back again. And he's kind of tossing his hands in the air. Cap's getting frustrated. So it looks like he's telling his buddy to back the trailer further down. And, I mean, it looks like he got it all the way up to the guidepost. We might be on. We might be good. Buddy's coming down. Gonna winch it up. But I think he's against the bow roller, so, I mean, he's pretty on there pretty good from what it looks like. And yeah, it looks like they're finally on there, and they've got it, and they should be good to go from here. Their Cap's still giving them a little bit of instructions. And you can kind of see what looks like a little battle scar above the R here. Going to help his guy out, make sure they got it right. I mean, we've got it this far. We definitely want to make sure it doesn't go wrong from here. So after 8.5 minutes of trying to load her on the trailer, we're going to get that first attempt at the pull out. Let's see how she goes if they got it on right. And our guy forgot to trim the motor down. And they look pretty good, and they'll be on their way out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover. Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.